How to fix stdriver64.sys high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solutions to fix the problem. Outdated or incompatible audio drivers are a common cause of high CPU usage related to stdriver64.sys. Ensuring that your drivers are up to date can resolve conflicts and reduce CPU load. Reinstalling the driver can help if updating it does not solve the issue, as this refreshes the driver's configuration. Right-click on the speaker icon on your taskbar and pick Sound Settings. Select the device you are using, for example, headphones. Under Output Settings, locate the Audio Enhancements section. Click on the drop-down menu and pick Off. Corrupt system files can contribute to high CPU usage by causing drivers like stdriver64.sys to malfunction. Running a system file check can identify and fix these issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if other solutions do not resolve the high CPU usage issue, performing a repair install of Windows can address deeper system-level problems. This process reinstalls Windows while keeping your files and apps intact.